Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well, I'm back again with the Mzazo Soapy stories, and today is Lana with Skeemsaam. If you think it drama Kakwezi, Pretty and Lehasa is over, you better think again. As you know, Ukwezi guys is running away from Lehasa after Khosi had Lehasa with his uncle plotting to kill him. Ever since then, Kwezi has been staying at Franco's place, who don't even believe the reason why she is running away from Lehasa. Ukwezi will tell Francois the whole truth and even provide evidence yokuthi ngampela Lehasa is planning to kill him. When Kwezi shows Francois the evidence she has against Lehasa, Francois believe her and decide to help, much to Kwezi's relief, and they subsequently get Lehasa arrested on the basis of premeditating Kwezi's murder. But Kwezi isn't stupid guys, and she knows Lehasa won't go down without a fight, especially with his girlfriend Pretty by his side. While Kwezi doesn't see Pretty as a threat to her plan because she knows that Pretty can't stop him, the same can't be said for convincing and dangerous Lehasa. Guys, Lehasa want to be in his child's life, so he will do anything to be with Ukwezi or to be in his child life. Pretty guys will be giving all the support she have to Lehasa, not knowing the changes that will come nokufika kwengane baby Lehasa, because she'll be born and there will be a lot of changes in Pretty and Lehasa's life. But guys, yeah, we'll reveal that as the time goes by. But guys, Pretty and Lehasa loves each other very much, but sometimes utando is not always everything. Sometimes you have to choose your peace. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. What do you want to see in this love triangle between Pretty, Lehasa and Kwezi guys? Bye.